Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update, and right now this is going to be a quick one. So on the daily time frame, I actually did upload that this is your W pattern and you have to hold the retest of the W, right? Now the question really is this is not actually a W or a double bottom. Maybe I'm wrong in a way, and this can actually be an ascending triangle, a very long ascending triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this ascending triangle just like that, and what you're looking for is number one, you did fail to break out of this level, okay, and you can end up coming a little bit down during the weekends to this level, which is going to be 386. You find support there, you start to move higher, you start to go up like this, break it out, and then you move to that level. Now keep in mind, if you do actually start to go up like this and you break it to the downside, you do have a technical target to 331 as well, and even lower. And if you start to lose this level, if you take this stop loss, then it's going to be really bad, and you're going to see this thing go entirely in a different direction. So right now it's pretty clear you did try to break it out, but the retest failed, and again you are below the resistance, which is a touch here and a touch there. So what is expected is tomorrow is going to be such a day, then Sunday eventually come down here, hold this level, try to coil up, and then break it out and continue higher. And by that, this is the end of it. A very small short, quick, straight to the point update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.